Here I've got Oppo A5 2020, and let me show you how to add a note on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to find Tools and open them, then go to Keep Notes application, here it is, and now you have to log in with your Google account if you are not logged in yet, and just enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Gmail, and I do have my email address, which is hard reset info @gmail.com. Then click on next, and now enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, click on next. And here you can come along with all Google and Google Play terms of service and privacy policy, and if you agree, click on I agree. Here you've got Google services, tap on accept to confirm your selection. And as you can see, it's connected. So now you can add the notes and use this tool. Smoothly open it one more time. Dismiss. And here are all the notes that you took in some different devices, but to add another note, just tap on take a note, enter the title, for example to do, and let me create a list of all the stuff that I have to make today, so you can either write it like that, like a normal way, or you can make a checkbox. Smoothly tap on checkboxes icon, and now you can enter some activities, and then once some of them is done, smoothly mark it, and now it will go to checked item. Then you can also draw your own note. Just click on take a note, and now tap on the checkbox, pick drawing, select the pen that you would like to drive it with, select the color, it can be red, and here you can smoothly write. Then you can change the pen, for example for this one, hard reset, and colors and whatever you want to. If you will go back, your note will be saved as a new one. So here, as you can see, are your notes. Then you can come to some of them and then mark some other stuff that you already done. So that would be all. This is how you can use note feature in your device, how you can add a note to your Oppo A5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.